Namaste, welcome back to my channel. And today I am going to unbox this box, and this is a Lady Raga bag for the month of October. So I'm just gonna quickly unbox and show you guys what I got in this time's bag. So let's just check out. Alright, so this is how the October's Lady Raga bag looks like. It's purple in color and it has some black print on it, and the material is like really I can't even explain. It's very shiny and slippery kind of material, so more of like a fake leather kind of material. Yeah, Braxton kind of, I don't know. So this is how the bag looks like. So I'm gonna quickly open this and see what are the contents I got in this time's bag. Alright, I see a lot of things, but first I'm just gonna take out the info card here, and it's the Festive Makeup Edition, and I'm super excited about this box just by reading Festive Makeup Edition. And the total worth of the whole bag is 1413 Indian rupees plus a surprise gift, which is their, you know, their thing, the surprise gift. So I'm just gonna check what products I got. So the very first thing I can see is it's a nail paint by Ellen Blue, and Ellen Blue is a really nice brand. I have tried their kajal and eyeliner. They're quite good quality wise, so I'm expecting good from the nail paint as well. And this is nail lacquer from France, and the shade I got is Inflamed Rose. So let's just check out the shade, how the shade looks like. Alright, so this is more of like a traditional red color which you can wear on karwa chauth. It's red, or it's like it is red with some pink undertones, like blue undertones, I would say. So yeah, this is how the nail paint looks like. And this nail paint retails for, how much it is? The Ellen Blue nail lacquer retails for 179 Indian rupees. The next thing is it's an under eye pack, and it's in like powder form, and it's by the brand called Blush, and it's organic and homemade, and it retails for 230 Indian rupees. And I can see the instruction that you have to mix it with raw milk and apply under your eye, because, you know, kind of DIY thing. So, and keep it like for 15 minutes and wash it off. So I'm definitely gonna try, because I can see it's yellow in color, so definitely there's turmeric in it. There's no ingredient list on this pack, but definitely I will be trying this out and see how it works on my under eyes. Right now I'm bare skin. I don't have any makeup on except the eyebrows and the lipstick. Yeah, so I'm definitely gonna try this out and see whether it works for me or not. Though my DIY also works really good for under eyes. If you are interested, I will link that video in the description box, and I will definitely be trying this as well, because I still need some of the extra care under my eyes. Alright, so the next thing I can see is again by Ellen Blue, and this is their Precision Liquid Eyeliner, and I already have the same with me, and it's really nice eyeliner, I would say. I really liked the eyeliner. This one retails for 499 Indian rupees. I won't be like opening it up because I do have an eyeliner which I am currently using, and so definitely this will be going to somebody like as a gift or something. Yeah, so I'm not opening that. Alright, the next thing I can see is a lipstick. So this is by the brand called Seduction Las Vegas. The shade number I got is 04, and I'm just gonna open and see how the shade looks like. Alright, this is like a bright red lipstick. It's a very pretty color. It's very bright. I really like how bright the color is. Very appropriate for the festive season. So yeah, I can see that most of the things are makeup in this time's Lady Raga bag, which interests me a lot personally, because they have an eyeliner, they have a nail paint, they have a lipstick, and yeah, an eye pack also, because you will be needing you need good skin in this festive season. So yeah, as for now, I'm really liking all the stuff, and I'm just left with one last thing, which is their surprise gift, which is here in my hand, really nicely wrapped. Oh, I just forgot to tell you the lipstick's price. The Seduction Las Vegas lipstick retails for 180 rupees. So in a surprise gift, I got earrings, and they look really nice. They are black in color, and it's like a black stoned earrings. Really like the earrings. They are like big topaz. Yeah, so this is how earrings looks like. They're really pretty. I think they will go really well with sari or something like that. Yeah, they're really pretty. I would definitely love to pair it with a black sari. Yeah, it'll look amazing. This is how they're looking on me right now. You can't really make out how they're looking, but they're looking really pretty. I really love how pretty they are. So yeah, those were the things I got in this time's Lady Raga bag, and in total you are getting 6 products including the bag. So if you exclude bag, you are getting 5 products for the regular one and 1 surprise gift. So definitely it's a makeup edition bag for the festive season. So yeah, if you're a makeup lover, you can definitely go and subscribe this bag for yourself, and all the details of the bag will be in the description box. Go and check it for yourself and subscribe if you want. And yeah, that's it for the video. And if you're watching me for the first time, then please do hit the subscribe button, help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy.